money, I love bags, I love cars, turbo stack. I want Louis double V. I want Prada for my feet. I love curtains made of silk. Wrap my body like some milk.
Hey boo, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, my name is Iona, and as you guys can tell by the title, this is my 2022 That Girl makeup routine. Listen, I wear this look when I want to take pictures or if I really want to beat my face when date night, girls night. This is the look that I go for, and I'm telling you guys, I love how my face looks. Like, it's simple, but like, you see that contour? Like, look at the contour, look at the lips, look at the eyes. Like, I love this makeup look. So without further ado, we're just gonna get right on into this video, and I hope you guys enjoy. All right, y'all, so did my brows off camera. I got my hair pinned back. I'm gonna go in with the Laneige lip sleeping mask. I love this thing. I don't know if Amani could use this, but she's been using this and she loves it too. She's been using this on her lips. So I go in with that. And I forgot to buy primer when I went to Ulta the other day, so I'm just gonna wait it out because I know Sephora have a Springs event coming next week, so I'm just gonna wait to get new primer then. So for today, I'm gonna go in with my Daily Greens Oil-Free Gel Moisturizer by Farmacy, and I'm just gonna apply this. I'm just gonna apply this on my face. So for foundation, I use the Born This Way medium to full coverage foundation in Warm Sand by Too Faced, and I am in love with this foundation. So I use my Morphe M439 brush, and I just pack this in all over my face. Honestly, when it comes to foundation, I start off with a little bit and I just kind of fill in where I feel like it needs a little bit more coverage. I do not like to put a lot of foundation on my face because I go in with concealer, contour, baking powder, and I don't want to look too cakey, so I just put a little bit, but then I kind of just fill in a little bit of where I feel like needs some foundation. So now that I have my foundation on, I also go in with the Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer, also in Warm Sand. And this I honestly just use to cover a little bit more. It's like a natural highlight that I give myself. I don't know, it just makes sense to me to do it like this. Like, you see, it's like it's my skin color, but it still gave me like a little facelift, I guess if you can say. Like, it just made my under eyes look more bright. And I think I'm gonna add some to my chin area, like right here. All right, so for contour, I use the CoverGirl True Blend in D50. Now this is going to play as a base to contouring, and you guys will see what I'm talking about. I don't know, I feel like it gives my face definition on what I'm gonna do, and you guys will see. So I use it on my Morphe and my Morphe and Jaclyn Hill brush. This is the Dome Contour Brush JH05. And I put some like so. I'm gonna have to add a little bit more. So I just add here. I guess let me go back in here. So I start blending it out. All right, so now that I blended that out, now I go in with my highlight. I use the MAC Studio Fix 24-hour concealer, and this is in NC42. Now you guys, the other day the brush applicator fell off of this, so I'm about to be real ghetto right now and try to get what I need onto this applicator. I feel like this is very unsanitary, but you gotta do what you gotta do. So while that's drying down, I'm gonna take my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour stick, or is this it's like a foundation stick, and I use Truffle. And this is where the contour comes in for real. So as you can see, I did it with the CoverGirl first, and I felt like that's giving like a natural contour, like a natural face contour. But now to define and really bring that contour out, I take this and I kind of just like put a little bit right here, and then not really too much, like so. And then I'm going to use the same brush and start buffing that out. And now I can go in and just start blending out the concealer. And of course I do my under eyes last because I want that to really pop out the most. And just to get rid of any harsh lines, I use the butt part of my beauty blender just to blend everything all together. All right, now it's time to set my under eyes, and I'm using my Laura Merciers. I love these. This is translucent and translucent honey. Now I love both of them by itself, but it's even much better together. It's like with the translucent, it's like it's good, but I don't want my face to look white. And then with the honey, I don't want my under eyes to look too yellow, if that makes sense. So I don't know, I just mix them together and only do a little bit, and I just feel like my makeup always look bomb when I do it that way. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mix these two together. And then I just pick some up, pat it onto this part because there's nothing on here. That way it's not too much caked up, I guess you can say. And I just pat it into my skin. See, like as you can see, I put some on, but it's not too crazy. Now I'm gonna go in and contour my nose, and I use Caramel Cutie by Fenty Beauty. And this is what the color looks like. And I just use this to lightly, because one thing about this, it can get a little muddy way too fast. So I start off with the nose, or the inner corner of the eyes. And yeah, I just lightly contour my nose. It's like you can see it, but not really. I don't know if you guys can see that on camera, but just contour a little bit. So now for the eyes, I'm going to be using my Violet Voss Pro eyeshadow kit. And this is what the colors look like. So I'm about to take my brush, and then they have a color called Transition. And this is what I pretty much use on my eyes. And then just to give it a little bit of definition, I go in with brownie points. It's like this brown color. And I kind of just pack that on the lids. And then I just buff it into the transition. And that's basically it when it comes down to the eyes. So off camera, I'm about to apply my lashes, mascara. Do I want to do a little bit of wing? Nope, I'm not doing no wing today. So just I'm applying my lashes and mascara off camera, and then I'll come back on camera to finish off the makeup look. All right, y'all, so off camera, I apply my lashes, and these are Adele's Demi Wispy lashes, and I also use I think Maybelline mascara to my bottom lash. Now I go in with the California by Benefit. I think it's Living the California Dream. And then I apply this to my face, a MAC 110 brush. Now, being that I did my brows off camera, I did not complete my brows, so I like to go in with the Benefit brow setter, the 24-hour brow setter. I also use the 24-hour, not the 24, the Perfect Brow Pencil by Benefit. And then I just comb up my brows. Now for lips, I take my I take my lip pencil, and I just line my lips. And then for lipstick, I take the Maybelline Nude Lust lipstick. And then I fill in the part that I didn't line. And just blend all of that together. And then I take the Dior Lip Maximizer in the color Dior Addict. And I just apply this to my lips. And then to set everything together, I take my Fenty Beauty What It Do setting spray. And with my beauty blender, I go back in and just pat in the under eye areas together. And then I set my face again. All right, you guys, so that is it for my everyday makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section what videos you guys would like to see on my channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Turn those post notifications on so you guys can get notified anytime I drop a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.